In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find unique visitors in Google Analytics. In Google Analytics 4, unique visitors are not shown the same way they were in older versions of Analytics. Instead, GA4 mainly uses the users and active users metrics to represent unique people who visited your site or app. Users is a broader count of unique users in the selected date range, while active users focuses on people who were engaged, meaning they had an active session. To get started, log in to Google Analytics and open the correct GA4 property for the website or app you want to review. Once you are in, look at the left-hand navigation menu and click on Reports. This is where GA4 keeps the standard reporting views. Next, click on Report Snapshot. This is the fastest place to get a quick, high-level view of your traffic and user activity. On the snapshot page, scan the summary cards until you find the one that shows users, total users, or active users. In GA4, that number is your best quick read on unique visitors for the period you are viewing. Before you interpret the number, set the right time frame. Go to the date range selector in the top right corner of the report and adjust it to the period you want to analyze, such as the last 30 days. Choosing the right date range matters, because the user counts can change a lot depending on seasonality, campaigns, or recent site changes. On the snapshot, you can also click into related user metrics to understand the makeup of those unique visitors. For example, you may see active users alongside new users and engagement time. New users helps you understand how many first-time visitors are included, and engagement time gives context on whether those users were actually interacting with your content. As you move through the snapshot cards, you can also look at the top pages or screen section. This helps you connect your unique visitor numbers with the content that is attracting and retaining those users. If you click into cards or metrics like active users from within these sections, you can drill in further while staying within the reports area. Once you have the date range set and you have located users or active users on the reports snapshot, you have successfully found your unique visitors in GA4. That covers everything you need to know.